You see it has shrapnel damage here?
This damage happened in a fraction of a second, and 80 years later, this World War II canteen and mess tin still show exactly how close the blast was. These weren't just lost in the woods. These were personal items caught in a violent burst of shrapnel. To understand the damage, I compared it to fragments like these. Small copper pieces, likely from a shell's driving band, seem to match this kind of fine, violent scarring. On the canteen, the clearest evidence is the perforation itself. At least 4 fragments punched clean through the metal. Its crushed shape may be related to the blast, but that part is harder to prove. On the mess tin lid, the damage looks different, but just as violent. One fragment seems to have clipped the rim and ripped a long slit through the metal, while another, right beside it, punched straight through. And inside you can still see clear use marks. A German soldier actually ate from this. On the outside there's a scratched letter A, just a single initial carved in to mark a personal item. I can't tell you the soldier's name, and I can't prove whether this came from artillery, mortar fire, or another nearby blast. But the metal tells us one thing for sure: whoever carried these was dangerously close. And that's what makes relics like this so powerful. Not just what they are, but the exact moment of war they still remember.